Rhetorical Analysis Final Exam 20-21. You will write both essay number 1 and essay number 2. Each is worth 50 points. 100 points total. Essay number 1. Choose one out of the 3 passages below to read and analyze the rhetorical strategies. Think Soapstone Graphic Organizer. In a paragraph of 150-250 words, explain your analysis fully, providing evidence that supports your discussion. 50 points. Passage 1. In the last 24 hours we have seen facilities now being created for the greatest and most complex exploration in man's history. We have felt the ground shake and the air shattered by the testing of a Saturn C-1 booster rocket, many times as powerful as the Atlas which launched John Glenn, generating power equivalent to 10,000 automobiles with their accelerators on the floor. We have seen the site where the F-1 rocket engines, each one as powerful as all 8 engines of the Saturn combined, will be clustered together to make the advanced Saturn missile, assembled in a new building to be built at Cape Canaveral as tall as a 48-story structure, as wide as a city block, and as long as 2 lengths of this field. From President John F. Kennedy's moon speech at Rice Stadium, September 12, 1962. Passage 2. I was born under Haiti's dictatorial Duvalier regime. When I was 4, my parents left Haiti to seek a better life in the United States. I must admit that their motives were more economic than political. But as anyone who knows Haiti will tell you, economics and politics are very intrinsically related in Haiti. Who is in power determines to a great extent whether or not people will eat. From We Are Ugly, But We Are Here by Edwidge Danticat, from the journal Caribbean Writer, 1996. Passage 3. In the catalogue of family values, where do we rank an occasion like this? A curly-haired boy who wanted to run before he walked, age 7 now, a soccer player scoring a winning goal. He turns to the bleachers with his fists in the air and a smile wide as a gap-toothed galaxy. His own cheering section of grown-ups and kids all leap to their feet and hug each other, delirious with love for this boy. He's Andy, my best friend's son. The cheering section includes his mother and her friends, his brother, his father and stepmother, a stepbrother and stepsister, and a grandparent. Lucky is the child with this many relatives on hand to hail a proud accomplishment. I'm there too, witnessing a family fortune. But in spite of myself, defensive words take shape in my head. I am thinking, I dare anybody to call this a broken home. From Stone Soup by Barbara Kingsolver, from their collection High Tide in Tucson, Essays for Now or Never, 1995. Essay number 2. Choose one of the 2 scenarios below to write about in a personal essay of 150-250 words. Explain fully with detail. 50 points. Choice 1. Write about a time in the past when someone persuaded you to do something. How did they convince you? What rhetorical strategies did they use? Ethos, pathos, logos. Give specific examples. What were the results? Explain fully with detail. Choice 2. Write about a time in the past when you persuaded someone to do something. How did you convince them? What rhetorical strategies did you use? Ethos, pathos, logos. Give specific examples. What were the results? Explain fully with detail.